Welcome back to Podcast Name. Today, we're going to talk about a food that everyone calls a superfood, chia seeds. You see them everywhere, in smoothies, puddings, and even energy drinks. But here's the truth. Chia seeds are not for everyone. If you have certain health issues, they can actually make things worse. Stick around because we're going to break down the 5 health issues where chia seeds can be harmful. And I promise you, number 5 will surprise a lot of people.
Exactly. We're not saying chia seeds are bad across the board, they have benefits. But if you fall into one of these 5 categories, you'll want to be careful. So let's dive right in. Why chia seeds are overhyped?
Before we jump into the risks, let's be fair. Chia seeds are loaded with fiber, protein, antioxidants, and omega-3 acids. They can be good for you.
But here's the catch. Marketing has made people believe chia is a magic bullet for health. People start dumping 2 or 3 tablespoons into everything without realizing the possible downsides.
Right, and that's where problems begin. Quick question for our listeners. How often do you eat chia seeds? Every day, once in a while, or rarely? Drop your answer in the comments. Issue number 1, digestive problems. Let's start with digestion. Chia seeds absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. Imagine swallowing a sponge that just keeps expanding. If you've got IBS, constipation, or general gut sensitivity, chia can make things worse.
I had a friend who started making chia pudding every morning. She thought she was being healthy, but she ended up with constant bloating and stomach cramps. It took cutting chia out of her diet for her digestion to calm down.
And the problem gets worse if you don't soak them. Dry chia can pull water out of your digestive system, which makes constipation worse instead of better.
Listeners, be honest. Have you ever had chia pudding and felt super bloated afterward? Comment below. We'd love to know if this happened to you.
Issue number 2, swallowing risks. Next, and this one is scary, chia seeds can be a choking hazard. If you swallow them dry and then drink water, they can expand in your throat.
Exactly. There was even a case study where a man's esophagus got blocked because chia seeds expanded after he swallowed them. That's a medical emergency.
So if you already have trouble swallowing, acid reflux, or conditions like dysphagia, this is a serious risk.
Have you ever tried drinking chia water and felt it stick in your throat? If so, you know how uncomfortable that can be.
Issue number 3, low blood pressure and blood thinners. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help thin the blood. That's great if you're healthy. But if you're already on blood-thinning medication, like warfarin, or if you naturally have low blood pressure, chia can actually make things dangerous.
Right. It can increase dizziness, cause fainting, or even increase your risk of bleeding. Most people don't realize a tablespoon of chia isn't just fiber, it's also a blood thinner in disguise.
Quick poll for our audience. Do you take omega-3 supplements like fish oil or flax oil already, or do you get it all from food? Let us know. Issue number 4, allergic reactions. This one doesn't get talked about enough. Chia seed allergics. They're not super common, but they do exist.
And people who are allergic to sesame or mustard seeds are more likely to react to chia. The symptoms can range from mild, like a rash or watery eyes, to severe reactions like swelling and difficulty breathing.
The tricky part is that chia is hidden in so many foods now, granola bars, smoothies, breads, that people sometimes don't even realize it's the trigger.
Listeners, has a food ever surprised you with an allergic reaction? Share your story. It might help someone else figure theirs out.
Issue number 5, blood sugar problems. Last but not least, blood sugar. Chia seeds slow digestion, which means they can mess with how your body absorbs glucose. That's usually good, but if you're diabetic and on insulin or metformin, chia can push your blood sugar too low.
And low blood sugar isn't a small thing. It can cause dizziness, sweating, fainting, or even put you in danger if it drops too far.
So if you're diabetic, chia isn't off the table, but you definitely need to talk to your doctor before adding it to your diet.
Listeners, if you've noticed certain foods affecting your blood sugar more than expected, share in the comments. Your story could help others.
Myth busting. are chia seeds still healthy? Okay, before everyone freaks out, are chia seeds poison? No.
Exactly. If you don't have these health issues, chia can be a healthy addition. Fiber for digestion, omega-3s for heart health, and even help with feeling full and managing weight.
So it's not about avoiding chia completely, it's about understanding your own health situation.
Practical tips. Safe ways to eat chia. If you're going to eat chia, here are 4 rules. Always soak them for at least 20 minutes before eating. Stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons a day. More isn't better. Never eat them dry. Check with your doctor if you're on medications or have health issues.
Simple, but important.
Get to subscribe my channel to get content like this for daily and weekly. So let's recap the 5 issues: digestive problems, swallowing risks, blood pressure complications, allergies, and blood sugar imbalances. If you deal with any of these, chia seeds may not be the superfood for you.
But for others, they can still be healthy. Just use them wisely.
If you learned something today, hit like, subscribe, and share this episode with a friend who swears by chia pudding.
And tell us in the comments, after hearing this, will you keep eating chia seeds or are you cutting back?
Thanks for listening to podcast Avoid Chia Seeds if you suffer from these 5 health issues. We'll see you in the next episode.